After a long wait filled with leaks and rumors, it's finally official. Samsung has dropped the official unpacked teasers for the Galaxy S25 series. Let's check out the teasers first.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Samsung has confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025 in San Jose, California. At this event, the company will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The lineup will include at least 3 devices: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's also talk of a 4th model, the Galaxy S25 Slim, which might launch a few months later. Samsung also teased the next evolution of Galaxy AI, calling it more natural and intuitive, promising to change how Galaxy users interact with the world. But that's not all. Samsung is already offering some exciting incentives for those who reserve one of the new Galaxy S25 devices. Among these is an incredible opportunity to win a $5,000 gift card that can be redeemed for any product available on Samsung's official online store. Here's the best part: reserving a Galaxy S25 costs absolutely nothing. All you need to do is register your email on Samsung's online store. By doing so, you'll lock in a $50 credit to use when pre-orders open after the event. Additionally, Samsung is providing customers with up to $900 in trade-in credits to make upgrading more affordable. And that's not all. There's an extra $300 instant credit available, which could bring the total savings up to an impressive $1,250. For many, this means upgrading to the latest Galaxy device might cost just a fraction of its original price. One of the most exciting offers this time around is the chance to win a $5,000 gift card. This is something Samsung hasn't done before, and it's creating a buzz among fans. The gift card can be used for anything on Samsung's online store, whether it's more gadgets, accessories, or even appliances. By simply reserving the Galaxy S25, you'll automatically secure the $50 credit, enhanced trade-in value, and additional discounts. Plus, you'll get a shot at the $5,000 giveaway. Once the phones are officially launched, you can decide whether or not to proceed with the purchase. This is a fantastic opportunity to not only save big on Samsung's upcoming flagship, but also potentially win a grand prize. If you've been thinking about upgrading your smartphone, now's the time to take advantage of these offers. Who knows, you might just be the lucky winner of that massive gift card. Reservation link is in the description box. Reserve now. Now let's talk about some previous news. If you regularly watch my videos, you can skip this part. But if you're new here, feel free to watch till the end. Now, new images from an accessory maker have surfaced online, showcasing the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra in all their glory. Thanks to Gizmo China, we now have a clear view of one of the color options for the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. These images give us a detailed look at the design while confirming a few previously rumored features. The blue variants of these devices, likely named Icy Blue for the S25 Plus and Titanium Blue for the S25 Ultra, have been revealed. As the names imply, the two shades are distinct yet striking. Both phones are shown encased in Spigen Crystal Flex transparent cases, giving us a pristine view of their elegant design. One of the most noticeable features is the ultra-thin bezels on both models. The edges are slimmer than anything we've seen recently, even compared to Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. This supports earlier claims from trusted leaker Ice Universe, who stated that the Galaxy S25 lineup would feature the slimmest bezels on the market. While the exact measurements are still unknown, the bezels appear visibly narrower than most competing devices. The overall dimensions, however, seem consistent with previous models. Another interesting reveal is the MagSafe-style ring on the back of both phones. Samsung seems to be integrating magnetic wireless charging into its flagship series, though reports suggest this feature will depend on an external accessory instead of being built directly into the phones. This means the Galaxy S25 series may lack built-in magnets for Q2 wireless charging, requiring users to purchase a magnet case to enable the feature. While this case will allow compatibility with MagSafe accessories and Q2 wireless charging, it does add an extra cost for those looking to use these functionalities. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera. 200-megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra-wide 50-megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto. 10-megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50-megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera. 12-megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, Dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. Colors. Titanium lovers rejoice. Choose from titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Mark your calendars. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, setting the stage for the next generation of innovation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in 2 RAM configurations and 3 storage options. In the US, the starting price is rumored to be $1,299 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage variant, with the 1 TB model going up to $1,659. Are you ready to experience Samsung's next leap in smartphone technology? That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.